arsenic someone thought fun to include on the icing on top of a bun. B are for bats that swoop out of the air and squeaking inaudibly, catching one's hair. C is for cord of a moderate length. To hang oneself with it requires no